In this video, you will see how luxury fashion items are made from these magnificent peacocks.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel as it brings you amazing videos like this one.
Keep coming back, easy now. Watch the left side. All right, hold it there.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We need the next crate ready for sorting.
Batch 45B Vibrant Teal is approved. The iridescence matches the reference. I log the 505 nanometer reading now.
Are these ready for assembly?
Yes, all the plumes are accounted for and checked.
Check the eye pattern on these green pieces before stacking. Yes, making sure they match the sample. This one is flawless, definitely a grade A.
Agreed.
We can move this batch to the finish section now.
The colorimeter confirms the emerald batch is perfectly consistent.
Let's start fresh.
The natural iridescence is our core inspiration.
Agreed. We need to capture that subtle shift in color.
How about a more abstract representation of the eye?
Good point. Let's make it flow more organically.
Every angle must reflect precision.
The depth of the iridescence needs to be more pronounced in the stitching.
I'll integrate a gradient effect to enhance that.
Here are the final sizes and plume arrangements. We need your approval to move forward.
The fit looks good. Let's ensure the feather alignment is perfect.
The embroidery needs to be reinforced right here on the pocket.
Yes, I've updated the 3D model to reflect that reinforcement.
Pay close attention to the stitching here.
Yeah.
The pocket placement on the 3D model looks correct now. Yes, that subtle curve really improves the design.
We need to ensure the stitching on the pockets matches the feather iridescence exactly. The color choice here is perfect.
Each feather finds its own whisper on the silk.
This feather detail needs to be impeccable.
The placement on this feather needs a slight shift, just a millimeter.
Next batch to distribution. Ensure labels are facing up.
Confirm destination for these premium packages.
Load secure. Manifest checked.
Here at the sanctuary, we collect only the finest, naturally molted feathers.
Each feather tells a story, a testament to nature's artistry.